Welcome to TJ's Toy World. This is Superhero Dad reporting for duty. A couple of days ago, Taylor stumbled upon a great video on YouTube. A little dude named Ryan who has these monster eggs. TJ fell in love with the big eggs and he wanted one. So Iron Man put in a call to Ryan. Luckily, Ryan is a big fan of Iron Man, so he sent me this giant egg to give to TJ. So we're gonna pick Taylor up from school and surprise him with this egg. Let's take a look at this giant egg. It's the biggest egg I've ever seen. Inside of the egg, it looks like we have some mystery slime. Iron Man likes slime. We have a mystery squishy figure. Mystery putty from Series 1. A mystery plush. That's probably Ryan. A mystery figure times 2. And light and sound vehicle. That's an egg-exclusive. Haha, I like that. Exclusive. Ryan, thank you for sending me this very sweet giant egg. Taylor's gonna be very pumped. Also, Ryan was kind enough to send us Ryan's Instant Slimy Blaster with Ryan's Instant Slime. Super pumped to shoot that at something later. And also, another egg. Ryan sent us 2 eggs. Ryan, you're the bomb. Now we sit and wait for Taylor to come out of school. We're picking up Taylor in the car line. Here he comes.
I thought Nana was picking me up.
Hi, Taylor.
Hi, Daddy.
Daddy's picking you up today. Did you have a good day at school?
Yes.
Can you put your seatbelt on?
Yes.
Sweet. Daddy's got a surprise.
What?
Guess what it is?
I don't know.
What would be a cool surprise?
Lego?
That would be a cool surprise. But it's something else.
Daddy, I can't wait to see what the surprise is.
Okay, here we go. You ready?
Yes.
I put in a call to my friend Ryan.
Whoa! That's how big his egg is?
He sent you an egg.
Whoa.
Is that cool?
It's so big. I thought it would be smaller.
That's a giant egg. Giant mystery egg.
Awesome! Superhero Dad, let's go inside and open these things! Now I am home and this giant egg is the size of 2 mini eggs, and I got this one yesterday and this one today with the giant one. And if you stack them on top, they're the size of the giant egg. And we're gonna be opening the slime blaster and all the eggs. Let's get in there! Get in there! wrapping paper. Just gotta get the bottom half of wrapping paper.
What's in there, Taylor?
Let's open mystery figure. Flip it open. We got an alien, Ryan.
An alien Ryan. That's pretty cool.
What's in here? It's a spaceship.
A spaceship? I bet the alien Ryan goes real good in that spaceship.
Same color. Get this little blaster out of it.
TJ, I think the spaceship has lights and sounds.
It does.
Press those buttons on the back.
Sound. Like
Wowza, that's a cool toy.
Let's open Ryan's mystery squishy figure. Gotta find an opening. Oh, open it. Some tape right there. Paper.
Hey, alien Ryan. That's a very most excellent spaceship you have there. I dig it. Maybe Iron Man and Ryan Man could fly alongside each other one time. TJ, you in?
Almost in the squishy. That's squishy. We got a Ninja Ryan.
Ninja Ryan? Let me see.
Wee,
Ooh, he's stretchy.
squishy.
Ninja Ryan has some crazy flexibility.
Beep. Beep.
He's so stretchy.
Beep.
All right, what else we got?
Beep. Ryan's mystery figure again.
TJ, you're getting the hang of those bags.
Combo's is ultra rare. I got combo.
You got an ultra rare?
Yeah.
Excellent.
Combo's is ultra rare.
Ultra rare.
So we got combo and alien Ryan.
And the combo is super rare.
And ultra rare.
Ultra rare. TJ, we should get Ryan out from the other day. The little figure.
Combo's taking over the Ryan, aliens Ryan spaceship. Let's open Mystery Slime.
Mystery Slime. That sounds fantastic.
Just gotta find the opening.
Do you need my help?
No, Superhero Dad, I got it.
Excellent job. Wait. Excellent job. I think the top of this egg is supposed to be a hat.
Hi, I'm Mr. Eggy Man. Hey, I'm Mr. Egghead Man. Cake fell off.
You gotta build this, Ryan.
Mm-hmm.
You gotta put his legs on.
He has a cape. Superhero.
His cape looks a little bit like a skirt.
It's not a skirt.
I think his cape is supposed to be on his neck.
Oh. Cape on the neck.
Excellent.
We got Red Titan. This is Red Titan. Now on to the last piece of this mini egg. Ooh, I wonder what it is. Ugh. It feels like a bouncy ball. Because it is a bouncy ball. Because in the other side of my other egg was a bouncy ball. There's Brian's word. Can you help me, Superhero Dad?
Sure thing. Chicken wing.
Bouncing everywhere. No way, it's the same bouncy ball. It
The
says-
same?
Yeah. Look. Ryan's world, same. So much, Ryan. I love all the toys you gave me, especially the toys inside these eggs. So now let's open the slime blaster. Now we're opening Ryan's instant slimy blaster. Little packet. The slime. That fell out easily. This looks awesome! First we gotta shake this up. But shh! Don't tell my mom. Oh, there it goes. It blasts real slime. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Bye!